Hi guys, it's Anne here, and in today's video, I'm not only doing one Topbox unboxing, I'm doing two! Yay! My favorite video to unbox, because when I get this in the mail, I'm like so excited, I want to open it right away, but I'm like, gotta film it first. So, I actually have a Topbox unboxing, and then I think this is the Luxebox. It still says Topbox on it, so I think it's my Luxebox. So, this is new to me. Figure it out. This is my top box, which is every month it's $12, $10 a month, $12 must be $12 a month because it costs me $13.56 Canadian. It's kind of like Ipsy, but it's Canadian version, and sometimes you get to pick a specific product. And I did try and select a specific product. You're not always guaranteed to get it. I did get it. I realized I did get it because they basically give you there's usually like a code or a word on here, and you're like, okay. And I looked at it because I was looking at the boxes trying to figure out what's going on here because they both say top box. So anyway, I already know what's in my top box, so we'll open that first, and then we'll do the Luxe box. So I got the little card that says, congratulations, you received one of the privy boxes you have selected. So they call it a privy box if you get one of the boxes that you selected. I think this past month they had like concealers. I think there was maybe hand lotions. That could have been last month. But this month, got the Bite Beauty Agave Lip Mask. I've always wanted to try this, and I just haven't. The top ingredient is lanolin. So if you don't know what lanolin is, it's the like oil on sheep, I think they brush it off the sheep. It's what makes them like waterproof essentially. So if you're vegan, obviously lanolin is not something you want to use. I'm personally not vegan, so anyway, this is the product looks like. Safety seal. I guess let's do a better close-up of the product. So this is what the product looks like. It is 15 grams. That's a lot. That's a lot of product. And it's safety sealed. Love the safety seal. I've heard this is really good to use under liquid lipsticks. So I don't know if you can see. It's just right there in my hand. It's like kind of looks like honey. Kind of feels a little bit like honey too. Feels nice. I'm excited about that. I've wanted to try it for a long time, and I just haven't. And then when I saw it come up on the preview, I'm like, ooh, that's like my number one pick. Of course, it's a lip product too. We all know I have a problem with that. My previous month, I was really lucky to receive the Huda Beauty lipstick, which I really like. Anyway, that's my top box unboxing. Too many box words. And it was the Bite Beauty Agave Lip Mask. Now we're going to get into the Luxe box. So the Luxe box is put on by Topbox, or it's promoted or distributed or whatever by Topbox, but it's a quarterly box, so it's a little more expensive. I paid $29.38 Canadian. I think it retails for like $25 or $26 Canadian. I also purchased the $10 add-on. I don't know if that's in here or not. I'm hoping it is, and I hope they clarify if it is, because I won't really know. I've never purchased an add-on. I know they do add-ons like ad hoc for regular Topbox. I'm pretty sure this was an add-on with the Luxe box. Again, never done it before. Wasn't really sure. I actually saw the email, clicked on it. I'm like, no, you don't need to spend the money. And then when I got home and then I checked my email properly on my computer, I was like, why not? You know, I haven't done it before. I don't know if I'll do it again, but it was just like, let's just try it. I'm already trying the Luxe box. As I mentioned, the Luxe box is quarterly. So again, for whatever reason, it came across my eyeballs, and the next box was going to be September, so it's like, all right, let's just go for it. Again, I paid for it for the quarter. I didn't pay for it annually, so I'm not sure if I'll buy the next one, which I guess would be like December. We shall see, but apparently it's like more luxurious products, hence the heftier price, so we will find out. Oh, thank you for clarifying. It is Luxe box. So they package it. Ooh, it's actually a really nice box. They package a box within a box. This really is all about boxes, isn't it? They packaged it in this really nice box inside the outer packaging. And it looks like a lot of stuff. Ooh, Ooh, so the first thing I see in here is the Biosense Squalane Peptide Eye Gel. We all know I'm all about the eye gel. So it says it reduces puffiness and dark circles, and it's plant-derived squalane. Non-toxic, fragrance-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, mineral oil-free. Wow, that's a lot of free. Ooh, looks very nice too. So this is what the product looks like. So really nice packaging. It's light. So I don't know if you can see it on my hand there. That's it right there. It's just like a white-ish cream. Feels really nice. Doesn't even really have much of a scent, which is, in my opinion, good. I prefer a product that's not heavily scented. So super excited for that. Super happy to try that out. The next thing I see is this Mirabella Eye something? Just says Mirabella Eye on the box. Eyeshadow primer. Oh, cool. Okay. I've never heard of this brand, and my Too Faced eyeshadow primer is like, it's getting there. I probably still have like a good couple months. Stuff lasts forever. I did buy the CoverGirl eyeshadow primer, which I did like a mini live video on my Instagram. I don't know if I saved that. I should see if I can save that and save it in my Instagram videos. And I do have a Urban Decay primer potion, because that's my favorite, but I do want to try other ones. So this is what it looks like in the packaging. It's really, really nice packaging on this. Again, never heard of this brand, Mirabella. Assuming it's like a doe foot. So yeah, just like a little doe foot applicator. And yeah, feels fairly much like the Urban Decay. I can't even show you because it's like skin colored and it's just like kind of blended in. Feels nice. Feels like silicone type base, like smoothing eyeshadow primer. Curious to know, like, yeah, how well this will work. It says maximize the intensity of eyeshadows. Creamy eye primer sweeps onto lids for a smooth base to increase the staying power of pigments and prevent creasing. So, again, 2 for 2, good product. I'm pretty sure this came in like a bajillion boxes last month. It is the Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm. So, yay! 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 I'm excited. So this is obviously like a deluxe sample because it's just this little guy right here. But again, I have like very, very wrinkly under eyes. Like when I'm tired, it looks even worse than it looks like on a normal basis. So again, this is the Moisturizing Eye Balm Essential Eye Cream. So that is a really, really good product that is very useful for me. Although I would have to say, slightly disappointed that there's 2 eye cream products. Just because it's like there's only so much eye products you can use at once. You know what I mean? Maybe think that going forward, Topbox. Okay, this is interesting, and I'm super curious to try this. This is the Yensa Color and Face Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask plus 8 Super Orange Essence. Turmeric masks seem to be a trendy thing right now. So it says pumpkin boosts collagen, turmeric smooth skin, ginger even skin tone. Typical mask that you put on your face, 5 to 10 minutes, and then rinse off. So this is what it looks like in the packaging, or in the actual container. Actually, like clear. So I don't know if you can see it. It's on my finger there. It's like kind of, I don't know. I was expecting it to be like crazy orange. I mean, it is a little bit. It's got like texture, like grit to it. Smells a little bit cinnamony, a bit gingery. Kind of want to lick it, but I won't because that's probably weird. So that's a good one. Very interesting. I'm already seeing a product in here that I'm like, it's this Luscious Lip Stain from Doucet, and it's in the shade Holiday Getaway, and it looks like it's orange. and I've already had this conversation. I'm not even going to open this. I know I shouldn't like poo-poo on it, but it's just a color that is not going to suit me. I already know this. I'm not a huge liquid lip person. This will be like in a giveaway, or I'll give it to a friend or something, because yeah, it's just, why? Topbox? Why? You had this, or at least, I don't know if it was the exact same shade. I think it was a different shade, because this seems like a lighter orange than the last one. I'll have to compare. But everyone that I saw in the comments from the last month, I think it was July, that got this was like super disappointed. So maybe you should have rethought your strategy for the upcoming months. Anyway, that I'm a little disappointed about. Okay, this is nice. This is the Dahlia Organics, which you've already received a product from before, or I've received it in the Topbox, the cuticle oil. This is a light and quick absorbing facial oil that slows environmental moisture evaporation. Oh, okay. Best used after a light application of water to the skin. Interesting. Directions: apply in the evening in place of moisturizer. So I'm really excited to give this a go. Sorry, I haven't even shown you, like, I'm assuming this is not like a full-size product. This is more of like a sample size, maybe. I don't know. I can be wrong. And this is, Dahlia Organics is a BC company, British Columbia. So that's really cool. I really like Topbox including a Canadian company, a Canadian brand. Okay, I originally saw the packaging of this and was almost like, ah! Again, if you watch some of my previous videos, why do I keep saying emails? That's the second time I've done that. Previous videos. So in my previous empties videos, I talked about a product from this brand. The brand is SF. I feel like it stands for something. It's this SF brand, and this is it looks like an eye mask. It says, I woke up like this. And it's a gold foil eye mask, which is really cool. I never really tried a proper eye mask. I'm hoping it's the ones that kind of go like under your eyes. The product that we got in a previous box was like a peel, it's kind of like the gel peel. I can't remember the brand, but I have the product. Anyway, when I used that product, it was like, ah! I'm almost curious to actually try it again. So it would have been okay if I did get it again, because I do want to try it again. Now that I know what the product's like, now that I know that I probably should have taken my makeup off beforehand, maybe given my face a bit of a rinse, and then tried that peel. Anyway, that's not what we're talking about here today. This is a gold foil eye mask. So again, interesting. How about the eyes in this box, which is curious. And it says, soothes, nourishes, brightens, and tightens. So I'll give it a go. I mean, I definitely could use all of those things under my eyes. And the last product looks like a nail polish, and I am pleased that it's packaged in a nice little bubble wrap. Safety. And it's by the brand Pretty Woman. It's a really nice color. Roses Bay, like B-A-E, like Bay. Really, really pretty color. Not practical probably for a person like me that's trying to use up all of their nail polishes, but I'm really excited for this because I do really like it, but I know I don't need any more nail polishes. So to recap what I got in the Luxebox, I got this Douce lip stain in Holiday Getaway, which I'm not too thrilled about. I got the SF I Woke Up Like This gold foil eye mask. I also got the Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm and the Biosense Squalane Peptide eye gel. So again, 2 eye products. Not too happy that they gave me, like, I'm excited for both products, but getting both in one box is not that great. The Pumpkin and Turmeric Radiance Polishing Mask. Really excited and curious to try this one out. The Mirabella Eye Primer. Again, really excited to try that one out. The Dahlia, what do they call it? They call it a Restore Treatment. The Dahlia, it's natural skin therapy Restore Treatment, so this is like a facial oil. And then again, don't need it, but really like it. Nail polish from the brand Pretty Woman. So all in all, not a bad box. Again, I'll put the pricing, whatever. I don't know how much all these products cost. The box cost me $29. All in all, I really liked the products. Do I think I would get Luxebox again? Not sure. I'm kind of glad I've decided to just buy a box at a time, because I'm not 100% sure I'll get the December box based on this box, it didn't really like blow my mind. I think I've been more excited over the top boxes. The Luxebox, again, maybe it was just the assortment of products that's kind of thrown me. If I'd maybe gotten like, I don't know, like an eyeliner or a blush or something that was different from like three different eye products, essentially like a mask, two gels and creams, like just like a little overkill on the eyes. Like, are you trying to tell me something, Luxebox? Like, I don't have a problem. Just throw it all the products at me, try and fix it. Curious to know if anybody else has gotten Luxebox. What do you think about it? What did you get? Same with your top box, because I didn't get a regular top box this month again. I really should just get a regular one next month. It all depends on what's in the preview thing and if I'm excited about what's there or not. Anyway, if you did like this video, feel free to give it the little thumbs up down below. I would love it if you did subscribe to my tiny little channel here in Toronto, Canada. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I'll see you sometime soon. Bye!